Two Times TV, taking me a little nature walk, get my mind right. Hold on, let me find my lighter. Beautiful day. It's a beautiful day here in nature. Yes, sir. God bless everyone. Waking up this morning. Yes. Good. Blunt of the day, first L. Wake up and bake up, everybody. You see me with the winning team on. Get with the winning team. Fuck the rest. Yeah, this is beautiful. Look at that. This is beautiful. Man, thank God for another one. Man, you gotta love Mother Nature. Man, this is beautiful. Just walking clear in my mind. You know that's what you gotta do sometimes. So much bullshit in the world nowadays. Then your boy finna turn 40. Trying to think what I'm gonna do for my B-day. Most definitely visiting the Men's Warehouse, getting right. Grown man status, you'll see. But I'm finna finish up my nice, beautiful walk. This your boy Will I Am 2 Times TV. Over and out.